all of that so that it'll block all the snow from going in where the doggies are. And then the drinking water. He did this one as well. So look how perfect it is. It's all perfectly straight and delightful. Woohoo! That spider's gone. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, it's up there now. Sick, nasty, horrible thing. So we haven't filmed much because we've been so busy all day long. And it was pretty much hot and sweaty. So that's when we did. Kitty! You think you got... Oh, Mr. Phoenix, that's a nice look. He's like smiling. What are you doing, baby? I'm trying to kick a bell. Where did it go? He rips it off.
Put निकलते oh my god, what a stinky put, buddy. Hey buddy, hey little buddy, hey you do I do. Oh my god, you smell. God dang it.
Hey guys, I'm going to do an update and a head update. First of all, Evan, he is 4 weeks old today and still the easiest baby in the entire world. I mean, babies don't get much easier than Evan. He's so easy and we're so lucky. He's just what we needed. He's the perfect addition to our family. We have